So we got this alley right here. There's a sign, Travessa de Ribeira de Patane. And I'm with Quentin here, and Quentin's going to be, we're going to walk down this little alley together, and I guess we'll talk about, your upcoming, can you talk about your film?
Yeah.
Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Maybe, Quentin is going to have a film coming out here. I'll let him talk about it, but
we've got a film coming out soon that I was lucky enough to be a part of and be able to do the still photography for and do a little bit of acting in recently. And it was all shot in Macau, and hopefully it'll come out soon, you know?
Yeah.
Hopefully this year. I'm really excited for everybody to see it. I think everybody in Macau, I think it's a good thing for Macau in general as a whole, because now we have something that is pure, that has been created in Macau artistically, and it's the first film that I'm aware of that has, you know, been fully produced and put together in Macau with the Macau crew and everything like that.
Yeah.
You know, of course, you know, the Hollywood films come in and do stuff like that, and Hong Kong films and Portuguese films, but
yeah,
you know, there's not a film industry here in Macau, so this is really kind of neat. So we're all really excited about this project, and hopefully we get to premiere this year. Hopefully,
sounds pretty
we'll
cool.
get to see it. Yeah, so we're all looking forward to that. Come out and watch it. The name of the movie is The Violin Case, and we're all very, very excited. So please come support us.
And for the channel's sake, we were just walking around a lot today. So we saw two sets of location scenes that we saw.
We did, yeah, we did.
Come on right here. This
wow,
maybe
this
a good
is
spot right here. And just for like a little bit of the narration story. So basically, what Quentin and I are doing is just kind of coming around and filming today. So maybe this would be maybe the end of this particular one, but we just wanted to focus on this little alley, talk a little bit about his film, and then we're also doing a little bit of photography as well. And we're kind of in this cool little spot right here. And then Jason's is our photographer from the Philippines.
Photographer,
and YouTuber.
and host, YouTuber. Rocking out.
Rocking out. All right. Just kind of to wrap up. So we basically came down this little alley, and we got some not too far away. It's Caboose Park, kind of on the other side of that purple building over there, and we're basically kind of just checking out these little alleys. So and there's kind of a ton of these. We're not too far from the waterfront, and it's kind of interesting, this church right here. You got some of that little church right there and the cross up there as well, and then yeah, just kind of all kinds of little interesting stuff. Got some alleys here, and I guess we'll just end the shot right there. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.